Good morning, students. Yesterday you read the poem The Road Not Taken. Today we will discuss over the questions of this poem. So open your book at page number 16 and see the questions. Now see the first question. Where does the traveler find himself? What problem does he face? So listen the answer. The traveler finds himself in a yellow wood, or he finds himself in a yellow forest where two roads were diverged in different directions. The next question, the next part of this question is, what problem does he face? The poet faces problem to decide on which road he should walk. The poet faces problem of choosing the road. The poet faces the problem of choosing one of two roads. Or we can also write, the poet faces problem to decide on which road he should walk. Okay. Now see the second question. Discuss what these phrases mean to you. First, a yellow wood. A yellow wood refers to the forest which has withering leaves as in the season of autumn. The first part of question number second, a yellow wood means the forest which has withering leaves as in the season of autumn. Now see the second, it was grassy and wanted wear. This phrase means that the road was full of grass and less number of people had walked upon it. The road was full of grass and less number of travelers had walked upon it. Okay. Now see the third of question number 2. The passing there means walking on the road. The passing there means going up and down the road or walking on the road. Okay. Now see the fourth part of question number 2. Leaves no step had trodden black. Means leaves had not been crushed under feet. Leaves had not been stepped under feet. And the last one of question number 2. How way leads on to way. It means that how one road leads someone to the other. How one road leads someone to the other road. Okay. So there are 5 parts in question number 2 and you will write the answers separately. Okay. Now see the third question. Is there any difference between the two roads as the poet describes them? First, in stanza 2 and 3. Is there any difference between the two roads as the poet described them in stanza 2 and 3? So, in the beginning, the poet felt that one of them was grassy and had not been walked over by many people. In the beginning, the poet felt that one of them was full of grass and had not been walked over by many people. But when he walked on it for some distance, then he realized that it was like the other road. Then he realized that both the roads were same. Firstly, he felt that one of them was grassy and less number of people had stepped on it, had walked upon it, but later when he walked on the way for some distance, then he realized, then he felt that it was just like to the first road, to the other road, means both the roads were same. Okay. Now see the second part of question number 3. Is there any difference between the two roads as the poet describes them in the last 2 lines of the poem? See the answer. The poet chose the second road, which was less traveled by people. He left the first road for another day, for some other day, and it has made all the differences in his life. Once again I am repeating this answer. The poet took the second road, which was less traveled by people. He left the first road for some other day, and it has made, and choosing the second road has made all the differences in his life. Okay. Students, now see the question number 4. What do you think the last 2 lines of the poem mean? Looking back, does the poet regret his choice or accept it? The last 2 lines of the poem is, I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. So the poet took the second road, which was less traveled by people. Choosing the less traveled road had changed his life. The poet chose the second road, which was less traveled by people, and choosing the less traveled road, choosing the second road that was less traveled by people, had changed his life. Okay. And he repents, he regrets for not getting a chance to travel on the first road. Okay. Once again listen this answer. The poet took the second road that was less traveled by people. He repents, he regrets for not getting a chance to travel on the first road, and choosing the less traveled road had changed his life. Okay. Student, in second part, question first and second is given for you. Have you ever had to make a difficult choice, or do you think you will have difficult choice to make? How will you make the choice? For what reasons? So you will do it yourself. Okay. So that's all for today. Write all the answers in your notebook. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.